Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to use Lively Wallpaper. First, let's download Lively Wallpaper from the Microsoft Store. Click to download. Open the installer. Installation in progress. In Lively Wallpaper, we can use various prompts. Let's try this one. The desktop loads and changes immediately. You can adjust all settings. You can set it to launch with Windows. I don't like that, so I'll disable it. You can choose a theme and the language. Here's the main tab for performance. Set it to pause when not on desktop. It runs when you're on the desktop. This saves your computer's resources. Also disable it in power saving modes. So that's how it's set up. Here you can also adjust the desktop and system settings. For instance, you can change the taskbar settings. This program is also easy to uninstall. Just exit, right-click, and hit Quit. Then go to Start, Settings, Apps, Installed Apps, and find Lively Wallpaper. Click the three dots and select Delete. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. Bye everyone.